Every single day, you're faced with choices, small ones, big ones. And in those moments, you may not realize it, but your entire future is being shaped. The power of your life lies in one thing: decisions. It's not the circumstances that define you, it's the decisions you make. Your decisions are the turning points in your life. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, growth over fear, and action over hesitation, you're rewriting your story. That moment of choice, it's the most powerful moment you have. The decision to keep going when everything feels like it's falling apart. The decision to believe in yourself when no one else does. These decisions, they build your character, shape your destiny, and determine your success. Your life is the sum of your choices. So choose boldly, choose with courage, because the power to change everything is already in your hands.